Dan Williams, Survive Outdoors. To those that are new, I am a licensed PA for over 43 years in emergency medicine and urgent care, as well as a doctorate in psychology, did forensic psych for a while. What we do are basically are wilderness medicine videos, if keeping you safe in the outdoors, if you get hurt, how to take care of that injury. We also do some gear reviews. Today we're doing a gear review and we're going to talk about the March giveaway. So, here we go. Buck, and I put this up here, you'll see this, it's the best I could find. I think they started the Legacy program in 2021. If any of you guys can find some better research than this, that would be great. But it looks like it started in 2021. And what they did is every month they came up with a limited edition knife, and they only made so many. Subsequently, some of those are rather pricey these days. So in February, for the first time ever, I purchased the February Buck 110 Legacy knife, and we're going to get in and show you that right now. So here we go. So this is, right here, is the 110, the classic 110. The only difference is this one has the automatic opening. And I've used this. This is in my collection, and it has basically the automatic opening, and S30V Validium steel, and really not a bad blade. You really don't want to keep this blade in your pocket. You lean up against something that can definitely discharge, and you really don't want that in your pocket, trust me. And that's why they send this sheath with it. This blade, this is a clip point blade. You see how that goes like that? That's called a clip point blade. That is, I think that's 3.5, and it is a little over 3.5, not much. So that is that. So this is the Legacy of February 2024. It comes in this nifty little box. You have certificate of authenticity, and in February they made 750 of these knives. This is micarta. I don't know why they didn't make this so you could switch it if you're a lefty, but they did not. This is a drop point blade. It does not come with this thumb notch. I purchased that for like $6. You can get a black one, a nickel one. This is silver, and you just have an Allen wrench and tighten it down. So if you see the difference, you have the clip point, and this is a drop point blade, and they are identical in length. Yep. And this is the 110 Legacy series, and they also used S30V steel on this. And this, what they did on the bolster, this is actually supposed to be some brass. It's worn already. This is nickel, a silver nickelish, and has the lock blade here. And it is sharp. I got some paper. Let's try it out. I'm not going to use this knife. So why would I purchase this knife? Well, we're going to show you that in about 2 minutes or a minute. So it comes very sharp, obviously. I purchased this not for myself. I purchased this so when I'm dead and gone, then this will be left to one of my kids. And I bought this in the middle of February. They're sold out, and I paid $180, and then if you look up here, I'm going to throw some up on the screen. These are the same knife that sold on eBay around 3.5 weeks later, $300, $309, $298. Now, in 2 or 3 years, what's going to happen? Don't know. I can tell you that all of the Legacies don't accelerate in value that quick. So check it out for yourself, see what you want to do. If you're a knife collector, and if you like knives, check that out. March giveaway. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do here. The third place is going to get some medical supplies. You got a Mylar rescue blanket, some betadine swabs, some Medi-Rip bandages, more bandages in the back, and there's some adaptic bandages for burns. So that's third place. Second place is going to be getting, there's 2 SAM splints in here. Got a bunch of these. years ago. And then person's getting one of those wonderful Mylar blankets I talk about that you better be very gentle with or they'll rip. But they are handy to keep, you know, to have it. They're lightweight, keep them in your bag. And first place is getting my old Olight with the magnetic charger, and that is going to be first place. Now, how in the world are you going to enter this? So what you got to do is comment down below on what you want to see more of, or you're going to leave Survive Outdoors. So what do you like the most? Do you want more wilderness medicine? Do you want more gear reviews? Do you want survival stuff? So you guys throw that down in the comments and have your name, like this video, subscribe, give me the thumbs up, do it all, whatever. Hit the buttons, you know what to do. Gosh, we've done this enough, guys. So you know what to do, and then next week, probably the end of the week, not sure when, we will give these guys away. All right, keep your eyes on the horizon, your face to the wind. We'll see you next time. Stay safe.